Welcome to week 3, talking about a digital transformation and a book by Paul Borg called Digital Adaptation. We're also going to do kind of a boardroom style assignment where a lot of stakeholders in a company all want their stuff on the main page, and how to control this called sort of choice paralysis when you have too many options at once. And I'm describing how digital teams work, what agile means, what iterations are, what a scrum is, and a sprint, and all these different words, so you know about that. And for the elements of user interface, talking about navigation and elements of those different kinds and how to use navigation. There's also an assignment I call the good, the bad, and the ugly. Find 4 websites, one that has a really great UI and a great UX, that is usable and looks pretty, one that is very pretty but not so usable, one that is not very pretty but very useful, and one that's both useless and ugly. And last, we're going to move on with these sketches for the redesign of the web page. Last week we talked about what we want to redesign and what goals and reasons we have to make the sites better. With these sketches, I want you to do 20 sketches in 20 minutes. That's how I work just the system to get really quick ideas out on paper. And then you have 20 quick ideas, but you can look at the 3 that really make sense, and the 17 that are rubbish, they're kind of out of your head and you don't have to think about them anymore. It's a quick way to get started. 20 sketches in 20 minutes. So that's the big assignment this week.